video on coughs can be reassuring for parents who know that their child have a common cold, or what we call a viral URI. These coughs tend to always stay upper airway, and like I said earlier, they can last 7 to 14 days. So if your child's cough is less than 2 weeks and they have the other symptoms of a viral URI, it's okay to continue to monitor. Signs that know we need to see the patient in the office sooner are if they're running high fevers with it, the cough gets better and then worsens, they're having shortness of breath, turning blue, or trouble breathing or pain with their cough or breathing or coughing until they vomit. These are signs that we need to see them in the office. But if it's not affecting their activities of daily living and everything else is normal, you can pretty much assume that the viral cough is safe to monitor. Any cough greater than 4 weeks in pediatrics needs to be evaluated because we are concerned for other secondary types of diagnosis that we need to talk about with you. The best way to prevent spreading cough germs is by proper hand washing regularly and frequently, and teaching your children to cough into their elbow and not into their hand. Coughing into your elbow like this allows your child to cough the germs into here instead of the hands that they will likely touch somebody else with. So again, teach your child to cough into their elbow to prevent spreading germs by coughing into their hands. Lastly, another effective way of treating cough is through nasal irrigation with sterile saline. Irrigating your sinuses and your nasal passages help with dryness, congestion, and irritation in the nasal passageways. This helps clear out the excess mucus that's hanging out in there so that it can decrease your postnasal drip, tickling your airway, causing that cough. Lastly, if you ever have any concern, we're always happy to see your child here at Future Pediatrics to evaluate them to either provide reassurance or the proper treatment they need to get your child back to their healthy self.